Introducing the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.